How to auto scroll on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can auto scroll on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to auto scroll on TikTok, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to open up your app store and then just make sure you've updated the TikTok app to the latest version. So go to your app store and then simply search for TikTok. If you see even a tiny bit of update available, I want you to simply make sure to update it. Once you've done that, go ahead and then basically open the TikTok application here. So let me also go ahead and do that. Just launch the TikTok app here after the update is complete. After the TikTok app is complete, now if you're on Android, sometimes this option might not be available because TikTok has only just recently started sharing this feature. So if you're on the iPhone, you're very lucky because you will be able to find this. So open up TikTok here. Now all you have to do is, let's say I want to auto scroll, just long press on it here, long press on it, and you'll find the option called auto scroll in this arrow icon. Make sure to tap on it and then you'll be able to auto scroll whenever this video is at the end, let's say. So let me just take it to the end. You'll be able to notice that this video will auto scroll. So let me prove it to you. Let the video end, and as you can see, it just auto scroll. Now this is the live video, so that's not going to work, but most likely if you have it enabled, you'll be able to turn on auto scroll. This way you'll be able to auto scroll on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.